Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to our shop here at 88 Rotors. We have an awesome compilation today of some GXs and LC250s. We're starting off with this GX550 that we previously installed some 74 Weld portal axles on with 37-inch tires and some Method MR703 bead grip wheels. The owner thought he wanted to stick with stock suspension, but he quickly decided that he wanted more. He's back today to complete the suspension lift and install an Icon Vehicle Dynamics Stage 10 setup with billet arms. We're also installing front and rear Dissent off-road bumpers, a come-up winch, some lighting, and to power it all up with a Switch Pro SP9100 with custom mount. The Icon Stage 10 kit consists of the front 2.5 VS CDEV coilovers, VS CDEV rear shocks, billet Delta Joint Pro upper control arms, Icon's differential drop, the rear 2-inch dual-rate lift springs, a billet adjustable track bar, all 4 rear suspension links which are the billet upper and lower trailing arms, and Icon's intelligent control unit. Icon's CDE valve technology allows for in-vehicle adjustment of compression, damping, settings, and active adjustment using the Icon Intelligent Control app. This IIC system uses onboard sensors to monitor G-forces and movement of vehicle chassis along with user-defined settings to actively make near instantaneous compression damping changes. The front coilovers were adjusted to about 3 inches of lift and the rear gets about 2 inches of lift, making this one a massive 7-inch higher than a standard GX without counting the extra few inches that the 37-inch tires also gives it. We've also installed Dissent Off-Road's front and rear bumper on this thing along with a come-up winch, some Baja Design S2s as fogs, 3 pairs of them to be exact, and a 30-inch Baja Design S8 light bar in amber with driving combo projection. And this completes the phase 2 of this GX550 build. I'm sure he's going to be back for more though. 88 Rotors is located in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. If you're looking to get some work done by us, reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. We'll show you another GX550 in a little bit, but for now, check out this new Land Cruiser LC250. This one is in for the all-new Old Man Emu MT64 3-inch suspension lift setup. The all-new MT64 kits from OME provides a 3-inch lift with massive 2.8-inch shock bodies in both front and rear. This kit comes with upper control arms, a differential drop, a rear sway bar drop in addition to the pre-assembled front springs and struts, and rear independent springs and shocks. We're installing the RRW RR7V wheels on here with a matte black face and gloss black simulated beadlock rings with 35-inch needle ridge grapplers. We're going to do the trimming to make that clear perfectly. Our tech is seen here unboxing the front MT64 suspension setup. We're using 17 by 8.5 RR7V wheels on here with a plus 25mm offset. Want a set of RRW wheels for yourself? Check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. Use promo code YouTube to get $100 off a set of 4 wheels. The MT64 3-inch setups have been flying off the shelf, but our website is very accurate. If we show that it's in stock, it's here and ready to be shipped. Grab yours now and take advantage of our free shipping offer on all MT64 kits. We'll eat the $100 or $2 that it costs to ship these out. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Seems like our viewers got excited about all the promo codes we threw out last time. As we wrap it up here on this LC250 build, let me read to you guys all the latest and greatest promo codes we have on the website so you can take advantage of our deals. Hopefully you can find something that fits your needs and save you some serious cash. Want $350 off a Dobinson setup for your 5th generation Toyota 4Runner? Get $350 off a GS Series Dobinson lift for your 4Runner by using promo code DOBSALE. That's DOBSALE. I know we mentioned earlier that we're doing free shipping, but do you want 10% off an MT64 setup? Oh yes, you do. Use promo code ARBSALE, that's ARBSALE at checkout to get an additional 10% off with free shipping on these MT64 kits. Our largest discount at the moment is for Fox packages. On select Fox packages, use promo code FOX500 to get $500 off. That's FOX500. And last but not least, all RRW and Method race wheels are $25 off per wheel. That's $100 off a set of 4 or $125 off a set of 5. Just use promo code YouTube for that. I'm sure you know how to spell YouTube. All sales and promotions are good while they last. If we decide to cut the promo code and it doesn't work, that probably means that this video is a bit old and we are no longer running the sale. We reserve the right to remove specials at any given time. Next up, we have this GX550 Overdrill. This one is in for an Old Man Emu MT64 setup also. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Offroad. Here you can see that our tech has installed the front Old Man Emu MT64 setup with upper control arms. Here's the LC250 completed and ready to be rolled out. The Lexus GX550 is pretty much complete now. We're going to roll this one out for a quick test drive. And this is pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you very much for tuning in as always. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Until then, enjoy the rest of this video and take care, guys.